Hey Nathan, Chris with Tameron Honda here. I want to thank you so much for your online interest on the 2019 Honda Civic SI in black. I've got it right here behind me, my friend. SI embroidery up top here to distinguish that SI look. You're going to pick up that nice sporty aggressive front end up here with your LED headlights. Also 18-inch alloy wheels with those sport wheels. Power moonroof, also going to pick up that push to start, remote start, also going to come with all your driver assistance things, also your Apple CarPlay, manual transmission, 200 horsepower. Man, this car has got it all, and I want to invite you to come by for our huge sales event that's been kicked off today, Memorial Day through the end of this month. Give me a call. Let's set up your VIP test drive and in-person view of this vehicle. 205-826-4915. You can call or text me there. Again, Chris with Tameron Honda. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you. When you come to Tameron, you'll love the way you're treated.